Hey, what's up LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive comments and your feedback. You guys are just rock star. Thank you very much. So enough of this, let's get back into this beauty. We finally got the fenders from waiting for 2 months. They finally came in. We jammed it, jammed both of the fenders, the hood. We'll start installing them right now. So enjoy the video. Alright, we're gonna start by removing the hood right now, and then we'll straighten this rail so the fender fits perfectly. So let's get to work. So yeah, this is a little bent, so we'll straighten this out real quick. So we're gonna heat this up too a little bit so we could bang it out and make it straight. The bar is pretty much straight, just this little corner. We straighten the rail, has a little ding in here, so we'll put a little bit bundle just to make it nice and clean. Alright, we're gonna install the right fender right now. Alright, the right side fender is installed. We're looking pretty good. Gaps are perfect. Same with the headlight. Nice and perfect. So right now I'm gonna change the left side hinge, and this bracket got damaged. Right, so we're installing the coolant system right now. One of the AC hose is bent, so we got a new one. We're gonna install it while the fender is still off. I think it goes like somewhere down here, so we'll change that out really quickly. and start installing the coolant system. Right now we're gonna change this AC hose line, and it goes all the way in there, so it's gonna be fun to get it in. Since it's a tight environment, I usually like to put tape on the screw so I don't drop it and lose it. So this center hose got damaged as well. Goes to the other radiator. So we're gonna replace that one too. We got a new one. Right now I'm going to install the cage and then the radiator, and the cage goes like this, and then the radiator. Alright, the cage is installed. Now we can install the radiator. Alright, we're done with the coolant system and everything's intact. So next we're gonna install the headlight and then the fender. Alright, we got a brand new headlight. We're gonna install it right now. Alright, headlight is installed. Next is fender. Everything looks pretty good. Alright, left side fender is installed, looking pretty good, gaps are perfect. So now we could install the hood next. Alright, so we put the whole front end together. Everything looks good. Gaps are perfect. Let's check out the gaps. Same with this side. Alright, we're gonna test fit the front bumper, make sure everything lines up pretty good. Alright, so we put the Lamborghini all together. Everything lines up pretty good. Car looks great. So off to paint now. And then we'll start putting it back together for the final time. Alright guys, that's a wrap for part 3. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 4. We'll be painting the whole front end. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, sucks to be you. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.